us in these areas like this, bundled on top of each other. They would have took us back to where they got us from. You know what I mean?
And I want to show you the 6 things. All of this right here, the Most High is against. Let me count it off too. This all was innocent blood that was shed. This so-called devil right here, this white man right here is named Durr. Yes. You see these 6 sisters right here in this picture? Huh? He killed 2 of them, and the one that you see with the glasses, he cut her head off, cut her arms off, and he ate her. That's before Jeffrey Dahmer. Pull that picture out for them so they can see. He had all 6 of these in the basement locked up with chains. Okay? And he killed her and he ate them. Right? That's in the Bible. The Bible says that you should eat the flesh of my people. All right, let's show them that in the Word of God. I'm going to go ahead and read this one precept real quick and show you the Most High hate this. He don't agree with it. He hate it. And I'm going to show it to you. Right? This is the Proverbs 6 and 16 on down. Listen to these 6 things that the Most High hate. These 6 things doeth the Lord hate. Yea, 7 is abomination unto him. A proud look, a lying tongue, and hands that shed innocent blood. This was innocent blood that was shed. He is against that.
Hey, not only that, Slacky, Chief, not only that, not only was it innocent blood, but these people you see on these that's getting hung, did y'all know that y'all are the children of the Most High God? Not everybody, even though the Most High God created everybody on the earth. Hey, look at me. Did y'all know y'all are the children of Israel? You're not black, you're not African American. So long story, like Chief saying, then not only did they kill innocent blood, but they killed the children of the Most High God. What you think he gonna do when he come back? He coming to put them in slavery. He killing most of them, and he gonna put the rest of them in slavery. They gotta, what they did to us, gotta be done back to them.
Exactly.
Hey, you ever heard your mama say, you go home, your mama say, if somebody hits you, what you gotta do? Hit them back, right? That's biblical. Somebody hit them back. You know what I mean? Unless it's our brothers. Sometimes you might come up here, you might be in a bad mood, you had a bad day, and I know, you know what I mean, and you might take it out on me, right? If I got enough meekness, I can say, man, look, I ain't even gonna hurt bro, man. He tripping, man. You know what I mean? He tripping. I love the brother, man. I ain't gonna hurt him. Don't do him bad. You know what I mean? That's between our brothers. But when it comes to these other nations, we're gonna get them back.
We putting them chains on their damn necks like they did us.
And that's biblical.
That's biblical.
Them churches, they don't teach y'all that.
They don't teach you that.
You want to learn about the laws?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get.
He's gonna read that one person. I'm gonna read this one, then we're gonna show you the laws. I'm gonna read this one to you real quick. Because what y'all need to know, like Cap told you, y'all got the blood of Yahushua in you. Has anyone ever told you that? They never told you that. But his blood is in you. It's on you.
Jesus, who most people call Jesus, his real name is Yahushua. Can y'all say that?
All praises. That's his name. Now, and I'm going to show you, you are the apple of his eye. He says in Zechariah 2 and verse 8, but thus saith Yahweh of hosts, after the glory that I have sent me unto the nations which spoiled you. For he that touches you, touches the apple of his eye. You are the apple of the eye of the Most High.
That's right. That's right. Hey, I got a precept. This is the book of Micah, chapter 3, verse 2. Who hate the good and love the evil, who pluck off their skin from off of them, and their flesh from off their bones. Shalom, how you doing?
Shalom, shalom. Hey, how you doing? Come and deal with your brothers.
Oh, you got an Edomite in the back of the car. That's why you got your enemy in the back of the car. Got the enemy popped up. You know what I mean? Got the devil riding with him. They can't stop. You got the devil in the car. You know what I mean?
Go ahead, Al.
Who hate the good and love the evil, who pluck off their skin from off them, and their flesh from off their bones. Like Chief said, the devil over there, he ate one of these sisters, man.
He ate that one right there with the shoe 24. He ate her, man. Y'all remember Jeffrey Dahmer?
Yeah.
There you go. He's reading in the Bible. The Lord said, you're going to eat my people. That's how we know we his people.
That's how you know y'all heard of hell, right? If y'all think hell is down there with some dude down there that's with a pitchfork and some horns. Nah, the Lord did worse than that. Look, the Lord treated us. He put us in hell right now. This is hell. And you know who the devil is? The people you gotta serve, and you gotta go beg them, hey, can I spend this dollar and get something to drink? You know what I mean? We gotta open when we turn on the water in our homes, we gotta trust that water ain't got poison in it. But you know, up there in Michigan, They poisoned they was giving them damn cancer in their water and stuff. These people gotta use water to clean, to boil their food, to drink. They poisoned the food system and the water and stuff, and they were getting cancer and stuff. That's wicked, ain't it? Only the devil will do that. Only the devil will eat another person. Only the devil will do that to a person.
Only the devil.
Innocent people. Look at that brother's face. 14? I bet y'all close to 14. Who?
He was black.
Everybody on here was so-called black. We Israelites.
That's right.
You're an Israelite. What's your daddy, man? What's your daddy? What?
My daddy's name?
No, what is?
Nationality. Was he African American?
Is he
No, he American.
he American? African and black American?
No, just like black American.
Okay.
Right. So if he's what about all y'all? Your daddy's African American? You? Okay. Well, look here. If your daddy was an African American, look at this. My daddy was a so-called African American. Look, the so-called Negroes, right? That's what they call African Americans. You're really from the tribe of Judah. If you're looking for your name in the Bible, whenever you read Judah, that's talking about you. It's not talking about everybody. It's not talking about the white man or the Chinese man. It's talking about us. Y'all understand? What we're doing is unlocking the mysteries of the Bible today.
That's right.
Y'all understand that?
Bring it out, Onyx.
We unlocking the mysteries of the Bible. So when you read this Bible, when you look at this Bible, this is your family history
That's your
and heritage.
book.
Y'all heard of Jesus, right? What tribe he come from? Where do you think he come from? Yeah, he come from this tribe. He was a Jew. So in other words, when y'all go to school and they say, oh, all the black people, or they talking about black, you're not black, you're a Jew. You see that, man? What's your name, man? Who? Tadeo. You a Jew, Tadeo. You know, you back in the Bible, your ancestors come from it. Jesus Christ is a Jew. He's a black man.
I'll praise you above all nations, brother.
Yeah. Let's show them the since we know that we're Israelites, we're Jews, right? There's things that we gotta do. Now, do y'all eat pork? Y'all eat pepperonis?
I eat chicken. Oh, pepperoni?
Y'all eat pepperoni on your pizza?
Pizza, yeah.
Do you eat bacon on your burger
Nah, not on my burger, but I eat bacon.
in the morning? Right? Well, we're gonna show y'all that the Lord will kill you for doing that. You understand? Because that's like eating a rat. A pig ain't nothing but a big ass rat. That's what a pig eat anything. A rat will eat anything. A pig is nothing more than a big ass rat. But see, your enemy, the white man, in these other nations, they're not gonna tell you that. Because when they do it, nothing happens. When we do it, we get high blood pressure. We get all these different diseases that kill us. High cholesterol, all of that, it kills us, right? This is not meant for us to eat. We're not supposed to eat none of this stuff. Rats.
People eat spiders?
Yeah. That ain't anything, man. You ever seen them Chinese people eat anything?
Korean dudes, they be balling that stuff up eating.
Yeah. Dog, they eat turtles, man, turtle eggs, fish, and they don't care. They eat anything because they're natural brute beasts. That's not us. We are royalty. We just broke the commandments of our God, right? You know, when we say broke the commandments, instead of him saying, this is what you can eat, this is what you can't. We said, I know I'm an Israelite, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna eat some pork. I love bacon. I can't stop eating pork chop. No, this is clean.
This is clean.
That's what we supposed to eat.
People don't like
Deer. You never ate deer? Well,
I never eat
lamb. That's what you gotta eat on the Passover. Yahweh Shai ate that.
That's right.
It is. Jesus Christ ate that, eats that. You gotta eat that. When you come in and know who you are, you come into the truth. If you plan on going to the kingdom of heaven, we're gonna be eating lamb for the Passover. We're gonna be celebrating the Passover in the kingdom of heaven. You gotta eat that if you're an Israelite. If you wanna go to heaven, you gotta eat some lamb. We eat chicken, you know what I mean? Turkey. Look, fish, cow, yeah, we eat hamburgers and you know what I mean, stuff like that. Yeah, sloppy Joe. Look, bison or you know what I mean. We can eat all this. When we say nah, forget that, man. I like bacon. I'm gonna eat this, and that's when we breaking the laws of God, and he turned against us.
Salaki.
He allowed us to go into captivity.
Can I show him this video real quick?
You gotta see.
Pork.
He
Let me
might have
show
seen
you.
it. He might have seen it. No, he wasn't one. He wasn't one of them.
I'm gonna show you this video real quick why you shouldn't eat pork.
Come.
Have you seen some? Keep your eyes.
Yeah, you have to cook pork so carefully because of this issue.
And then what?
Keep an eye. Well, you can actually see right here, some little pops are coming up.
There are little things coming out. That's not. Is that what we're looking for?
Yeah, except that they go way bigger. Like they'll crawl their way out. This, I've never seen it start going this fast. I'm gonna put fresh soda in it.
Shalom. Shabbat
You can
shalom.
actually see them, like the heads of them
Watch out.
popping
Start popping
through.
up through there.
It's so gross.
Starting to see it.
Look, you can see them starting to crawl their way out.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
moving.
You see them? That's pork. That's what's in them when you eat
Oh,
it. That's why Christ
gross.
said don't eat it. Yeah, that's why you don't eat pork. You can't eat that stuff, bro. Right? And I'm gonna show you something.
Hey, that's the pork chops y'all eating.
So
Your
that's
mama ate.
living, that's living in you what you eat it.
That's parasites.
Yeah.
That's all in you.
Yeah.
Right?
But the most important thing is the Lord said don't do it. You know what I mean?
Let me read 66.
Come. Oh yeah. Come. Hey, listen to
Put
this,
that
y'all.
right there.
That's the real depiction of it. We're not saying that's Jesus, but the Bible describes him to look like that. We're gonna read it. He looks. If we was going off the Bible, which everybody should, right? The white man, he read the Bible, but he give you a picture of that. That's called a visual lie, because that's nowhere in the Bible.
My granny told me that's a lot. Like how they made it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
that's
really
true.
look. He was
All
dark
praise.
skinned. He had woolly hair on his head. That means his beard.
How you
and
doing,
his head,
brother?
Right? Yeah, woolly hair.